Go to your educator dashboard. Now click on My Classes. Click on Create Class. The class information form will appear now. Fill in as many details as possible about the class you're taking. Learners and parents will be able to see this information and enroll after seeing these details. Start by giving your class a nice name that will give a glimpse of your class. Add a detailed description of your class and mention all the points you are going to cover in the class. Select which category your class falls under. Add images and videos related to the class as people understand easily via visuals. Select which age group can take the class and how many learners can be in this class at a time. Add the price for the class per session. Add keywords related to your class to make it easy to search. Add what will learners require during the class so they keep it ready before the class. Add parental guidance if needed and other requirements or anything you want to convey to the parents or learners in the additional notes. After filling in all the details, now click the Next button. Add any material like videos, PDFs, images, etc. which will help students. Choose whether you would like to give a certificate to the e-learners at the end of the class or not. If you want to give a certificate, select Yes, add your signature and select a template that you like. Once your students will complete your class, they will receive the certificate which will be signed by you. Now you have to create batches. Give your batch a name. For name, you can go with morning class, afternoon class, and so on. Now add sessions to your batch. Give a small brief about the sessions. Set date, set start time, and end time of each session. This feature gives you full flexibility. You can make duplicate batches and change the time of the class or any other details you want to. Now when you have added everything, just activate the batch by clicking the Active button, and now your class can be seen by the learners in the Explore Class section. Meeko, a place where you can learn, teach, play, explore.